Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal International School. Today I am going to take a class for class nursery, and today's topic is any flowers. Whatever here mention flowers, that's why we will draw two flowers. That means more than one. Okay, let's do. Flower is very easy topic. You know that this is circle. Okay, though here I will draw bigly, so I need more space, and so that I use this. This is the circle. Okay, and then you will draw this type of line, oval type line. Two line, and here you use also two line, and give two lines also, and make the flower, and give a smiley face also. Okay, and give the leaf. First draw this type of line and join two curved lines, and it makes the leaves. Join two curved lines. Another flower is also like this. Just draw a oval, circle oval, and draw this type of, and again join the lines and make the flowers. Curved line, another curved line, another curved line is makes a flower. Yeah, leaves. Again you can use here a face. So dear student, look at the board. I have already colored two flowers for you, and this is very easy color. You know that these two flowers I have colored by the pastel color. Here I have used yellow and orange, and here I have used light green. Here I have used orange and light green, and here light yellow. Here I have on the leaves I have used here deep green. You also use deep green. This is very easy topic. I hope all of you when draw these flowers you will get very pleasure. So dear student, this is also your HW. So dear, look at the board. I have write down the RW, topic and HW. You all are also write down these types writing. RW topic is any flowers with color, HW 30. Okay. So dear student, no more today. You all of you submit this HW every Sunday for 8 am to 4 pm, and don't forget to submit. You know that your SBS city marks also depends on this HW. So dear student, no more today. Thank you.